Hello traders! This video demonstrates how you can use the main tab of the Position Sizer Expert Advisor. The direction button lets you easily switch from buy to sell and vice versa. The entry level is based on the current ask bid price. This is because the order type is set to instant. The stop loss can be modified either here or with the line. The take profit can be added by clicking the button. Clicking it the second time will lock the take profit distance to the stop loss distance. Now if the stop loss distance changes, the take profit level will move too. Clicking it the third time will unlock the TP. Setting the TP level to 0 will remove it from the chart. The order type can be changed by clicking the button. When it's set to pending, you can edit the field and also drag the line. The Hide Lines button can be used to remove the lines from view. If your broker charges commission, you can set it in this field. Remember to use the one-way commission size instead of round turn. If applied, the commission will get reflected in the position size, risk and reward calculations. The account balance is the default size type for calculations. You can switch it to the account equity or to the balance minus current portfolio risk. It is adjusted by the current portfolio risk from the Risk tab. When showing the account balance, you can edit it to calculate your position size based on some different account balance. This might be useful when your actual account balance doesn't reflect the funds you set off for trading. As you can see, changing it to 10,000 updates all the calculated values respectively. Let's switch the TP back on. The results are presented in two columns. The first one is based purely on inputs. The second one is based on the restrictions of your broker's trading conditions. As you can see, the risk is lower here because our position size has been rounded down to 0.06. The position size is also being affected by the commission value we entered earlier. That's all for the video on the Position Sizer's main tab. Do not forget to subscribe if you want to learn more about the Position Sizer EA from our future videos. See you later!